Load your family into the 2012 Jeep Compass. Under the hood, you'll find a 4-cylinder engine with more than 170 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. 4-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. Jeep prioritized comfort and style by including a tachometer, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, a roof rack, rear wipers, and one-touch window functionality. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 4 well-positioned speakers. With side curtain airbags supplementing the rest of the safety network, you can be assured that you and your passengers will experience top-tier protection. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. We are here to help you.